What I have here is most of the electronics and accessories worth around 350 bucks that I carried with me back home on flight. And with these many accessories, you're sure to stand out in the eyes of CISF. Today, I will share my experiences on how to travel with plethoric amount of accessories with you, especially with the multimeter and the lithium batteries. Firstly, domestic flights are pretty easy to compromise with electronics concerning fair justification of what you're carrying. If you carry a project with you and you're a student, then make sure you show your identity card of being a student concerning the organization or the institution you're pursuing your study under. If you're not a student, then justifying might just be a bit harder. Personally, for me, it was really easy because I'm a student, which makes it no big deal so long you justify that your project is not a bomb. Finally, try to carry as much as electronics as you can adjust in your check-in luggage, except for obviously lithium-ion batteries and your project. Do not carry sharp objects like knives, scissors, and screwdrivers in your hand luggage. And as a side note, for foreign travelers to India, please carry your passport and air ticket copy issued in English or in Hindi. For that actually makes your life and our life so much easier because there are passengers waiting. And other than that, make sure to always have patience. Well, that's it for today, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Circuit Shorts signing off.